Jenna at Sistine Plastic Surgery. I'm getting my third microneedling treatment done, and since you guys had lots of questions for me, I wanted to ask her some of them to give you a better idea of what microneedling is and what to expect. So, what exactly is microneedling and how does it work?
So we have the skin pen device, which is a microneedling device that lays tiny micro injuries to the skin, which in turn stimulates collagen and forms new elastin. So it has a really good anti-aging benefit as well.
How long does each treatment take?
So I guess from start to finish, we'll do numbing cream for about 20-25 minutes in each treatment if we're doing a full face, like Alan is doing. It's going to take about 20 to 25 minutes as well. So you might be in the office for a little under an hour.
What are the benefits of microneedling and what is it used for?
So microneedling is used for mainly like texture concerns. So we're doing it for not only acne scarring, but also pore size, fine lines and wrinkles.
Is there anyone who shouldn't have microneedling done?
Yes, actually. All skin types are suitable for microneedling, but if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, we would not do this on you. Those that are immunocompromised, but mostly everybody is a pretty good candidate.
Is it expensive?
So microneedling at our office is $800 for 3 sessions, or you can do a single session for $300. But Alan here is going to be giving you a little discount, so make sure to check her caption or description box for those details.
Are there any risks that people should be aware of?
So mainly our patients experience some redness, as you can see. Some pinpoint bleeding is totally normal during the session, but that will end as soon as we wipe it off of her skin at the end. Some peeling is also normal, can last up to about 1 week. Swelling can occur, bruising on rare occasions, but mostly just some redness and peeling.
What's the difference between the skin pen that you're using and microneedling tools that can be bought for home use?
So this device that we're using is actually the only FDA-approved microneedling device. Again, it's called the skin pen. So the ones you buy at home, the depth isn't as controlled. There's higher risk for infection. We use these sterile cartridges, which are single use only for every patient. And it's just safer to have a professional do it that is trained to use it.
I would never want to take that chance without this. So when can people get back to using like their regular skincare, their toner, their cleanser, like all the stuff that you typically use every day?
So it is safe to resume your normal skincare routine approximately 3 or so days after, but it will be patient to patient, when their skin is not irritated anymore. So you'll kind of have to use your best judgment, or obviously always touch base with us if you have any questions, if you're healing a little bit slower than somebody else may have.
Yeah, I think that's like day 3 is when I started using
Yep.
all my stuff. Other than using the post-procedure products, is there anything you recommend people should do in between treatment for best results?
So we do have a full line of medical grade skincare, but really what you can do in between is just avoid sun exposure and wear your SPF. So I have a question for you. How would you explain what you're feeling, and are you in any pain?
It's definitely not painful. I feel the pressure and I can feel it's almost like a little bit of like a tingly sensation, but the numbing cream does a really good job because I really cannot feel much at all. It's very tolerable. I was actually really surprised when we did a little bit of video at my first appointment, how when I watched the video, how there was like a little bit of like blood and everything, and it looked really bad, and it felt like way better than it looked a lot worse than it actually felt. So I was really surprised, and there was really no pain in the recovery, just a little bit of kind of like my face will feel tightness after it, and like Jenna said before, some peeling and redness, but honestly, when I heard the term microneedling, I was expecting it to be a lot worse than it actually is, and it really hasn't been painful.